singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa,
spread them out.
Big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low.
What's going on, guys? It's the dude from Dudes, and today we are cooking a nice burrito bowl. Everybody that knows me knows I love burrito bowls, but sometimes it's gonna be hard to get everything done at the same time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run through everything step by step, and we're gonna start with the things that take the longest. So if you have a rice cooker, great. I'm gonna use mine. It's over in the corner. Let's get my rice in the cooker. Okay, step one, done. Now watch me do the vegetables. Peppers are easy. They're one of my favorite vegetables. You just gotta have a sharp knife. You gotta turn like this. Save this for stock. We want them as flat as possible, and I'll show you why. So we're gonna get this white stuff out. One. Two. Also get your ovens preset on 420. It's a great number, right? Don't forget to save your scraps for your vegetable stock. The reason we want them as flat as possible is this. We line them up, and then we're gonna bang through these real fast. It's always good if you don't cut your fingers. Red onions. You know me, guys, I try to work as clean as possible. These potatoes are disgusting. I'm gonna wash them. Wash your taters. Okay, so the potatoes we want to cut very thin, very small, because we're gonna put them with the vegetables. And the smaller they are, the faster they're gonna cook. Boom, 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 boom. Potatoes in your bowl. All right, here's where it gets fun. Olive oil. Only the best, Murray River salt flakes. Wonder how my salt bay is. Where's the autofocus on? Over there? Oh, it's moving. There it is. The dude told you not to worry about. I'm gonna sprinkle these, give them a nice coating. It's a lot of vegetables in here, so don't be shy. Get your hands dirty. Get those Brussels sprouts in from the bottom. You want this to look like a nice, colorful rainbow. Now we're gonna get our sheet pan. And spread them out. Should look like this when you're done. In the oven. I like the top rack. Hey Siri, set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Let's go.
Now.
Guys, when you're dealing with raw chicken, make sure it's the last thing you're dealing with on the board, just because we don't really like the crust contaminate. Take out what you need, and then make sure you wash your board. Wow, these are nice and big. Well, let's do two of them. I'm just trying to make these chicken breasts a little flatter so they cook a little bit more even. So get a sharp knife, and we're just gonna cut like this. Very thin pieces. Look at that. See? Now that'll cook really nice. These should cook nice and fast. Do the same thing with the other one. Those are nice. Now we're gonna get these in a mixing bowl. And we are gonna go get this washed. I change my gloves so many times when I'm dealing with chicken. Just, nobody wants to get salmonella. It's not fun. One hefty pinch of salt. And some of our dudes flipping the bird. And the secret to this quick marinade, mayo. Mix it all together really nicely. This is looking pretty nice, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Want them to look like that. We're making pretty good time, so I'm gonna wrap this in plastic and let it chill for a little bit. We still got 20 minutes on veggies and about 15 minutes left on rice, so we're ahead of the game.
20 minutes later.
All right, timer just went off. We gotta flip the vegetables. You can do this however way you want. It's super hot. I like to use these things, so try not to make a mess. I'm fogging up. Whee! They look good, guys. I can't see. Oh man, man down. Man, 5-second rule. That was a potato. That's a sprout. Delicious. See how much more room we have? Those vegetables, they shrink, man. Hey Siri, set another timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Counting down.
Back in the oven. All right, our rice is done. Let's get this going. Medium heat. I'm not gonna add oil because there's mayo on this. You don't need to add oil. Bad Tom. Look at these things, they look great. If you don't hear that sound right there when we're cooking chicken, it means your pan's not hot enough. So, you know, you want your pan at least this hot, okay? All right, guys, you want to hear that sound? That's a good thing. That sound is a good thing. Gotta cover up the label, but I am thirsty. I need to set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Starting now.
I love you, Siri. I'm very interested to see what kind of crust we're gonna get with this pan. This pan. This pan. Kinda wanna peek. Cooking's easy. The trick is just getting the stuff that takes the longest out of the way first, man. So the rice and the veggies, you can have them ready to go. You know, like prep them all when you get them. You can use the same exact chicken concoction for a burrito, for a salad, for fajitas. You can use it for some kind of wrap. You can eat it plain. You can make a sandwich. If you didn't want to pan fry it, you can cut it up and then put it in breadcrumbs and throw it in the air fryer and make like chicken finger-ish things if you got kids. There's so many things you can do with chicken thighs. I love them. Love me some chicken thighs. I mean, I just love thighs in general, just saying. I wish you guys could smell what's happening over here. This is delicious. This is cooking. This is easy cooking. You know, Dudes Gourmet, we just want you to be better home chefs. That's it. Oh, here's your timer. Oh yeah, I like the way that looks. Oh, cut that bad boy a little too thin. Like I was trying to say, man, this is cooking 101. This is easy, this is fun. Cooking's fun, it's easy and delicious. All right, veggies, done. Man down, 5-second roll. Woo! And they are delicious. They do need, however, just a tad bit more salt. Let's start making our bowl. Rice. Ooh, hello rice. I'm gonna spill this. I'm gonna regret it. Veggies. Chicken. By the way, big fan of the new pans. Just saying, big fan. You guys see how easy that was? That is a full meal. That's how I eat pretty much every day. Let's see how the chicken's cooked. I know it's good because I made it, but this is a full supper. It's a full meal right there. Look at that. I crushed that. Need a thumbnail. All right. Now the thumbnail games are over. Let's try this. Oh, by the way, Dudes Gourmet is now in Public Lands. So, if there's a Public Lands by you, help yourself. All right, chicken is good. All right, down, Bill. What are you haters? Cooked completely. What's up? That's delicious. Jeez. That's how you get a meal on the table in 30 minutes for a family of 4. We eat this all the time. Guys, head over to dudesgourmet.com, grab all the seasonings that you need. We are now in Public Lands, which is this cool outdoorsy store that's attached to Dick's Sporting Goods. So, if you want to get Dudes Gourmet in your Public Lands, go right over to the manager and be like, yo, we're the dudes. Mike, I hope you're happy. I just taught you how to do everything at once. The key is just managing what you need to get done. Rice, vegetables first, they take the longest. Then cook your chicken, bro. And if you get your chicken done when you go shopping, get it home, get it ready to go, you have chicken for the week. This chicken's bomb. I would not get this chicken out of bed. I would try very hard to get this chicken into bed. Oh, so good. I'm at 2 seasonings, some salt, done. We're flipping the bird. You know, I'm not the kind that gets you in trouble. Just the kind that, you know, you put on chicken. It's good, man. I'm pumped for this. So pumped for this. Flipping the bird is in public lands. Cause time.